Oh,
go before the rain begins to fall, before the sky starts crying for us all. Take the pieces that you need to keep. I'll hold the ones that never learn to sleep. You said love was built to fade, like sunlight slipping through the shade. Maybe this is what we had to see. What's meant to stay will find its way to me. And if your heart begins to ache someday, you'll know where to find the place you gave away. So go, don't turn around. I'll stay here on this ground. The doors half open, the light's still low. If love remembers, it will know. Go before the rain can fall. Don't worry, I'll survive it all. I'll let the storm just wash my face, leave your name in its embrace. I walk the streets we used to share, pretend your shadow isn't there, but memory has a funny way of calling ghosts to dance and stay. Oh, you kiss someone who looks like me, then wonder what it used to be. You'll close your eyes, the world will spin, and I'll be there beneath your skin. And if the silence starts to sound like home, you'll hear my voice, you're not alone. So go, don't turn around. I'll stay here on this ground. The doors half open, the light's still low. If love remembers, it will know. Go before the rain can fall. Don't worry, I'll survive it all. I'll let the storm just wash my face, and leave your name in its embrace. I'm not afraid of letting go, but I still leave a light just so you know. If you come back and call my name, this heart still beats the same. Go before the rain begins to cry, before the stars fall from the sky. The door's still open, I won't hide. If you come home, you'll find inside the same old song, the same old flame, the same fool calling out your